basically I have been asked to scale Accenture Interactive Operations, which is the global marketing operations arm of Accenture Interactive. It's a fantastic opportunity to really leverage data, content and technology to deliver a step change in clients' business performance. So I'm very, very pleased and thrilled to take on the role.
So tell us some of the initiatives you're doing, particularly around programmatic.
Well, with Programmatic, we're starting with a lot of client interest in terms of them wanting to in-house and gain more control over the programmatic execution. So that's really where we're starting. A lot of clients also want to build a hybrid model in terms of programmatic execution, and we're also helping them with that, ascertaining what exactly do they want to control in-house and how do they want to staff up against that, and what do they want us to take over as a managed service. And then of course in time we're building out our capabilities to be able to operate and scale global programmatic services for clients.
So how does that mean? Does it mean working with vendors? Are you building your own platform? I assume there's not one size that fits all, but give us a scope of it.
Yes, at the moment it's very tailor-made and bespoke for clients because that is where we're seeing the sort of burgeoning interest. So in terms of being able to help clients procure the right marketing technology and develop the right marketing stack, that is where the sort of sweet spot of the need is at the moment. And of course, you know, being a technology powerhouse, we have a lot of skills when it comes to systems integration. So we're on top of the marketing and ad technology to be able to give agnostic advice to clients. In time, we will be building out more of an orchestration of a suite of technology, again, tailor-made to clients to be able to give them a step change of business outcomes, but then also to be able to develop something a little bit more industrialized for those clients who really want a global marketing activation to run on their behalf.
So Nikki, I wanted to ask you about the media world and the transparency in the supply chain, and we hear a lot going on about transparency issues, issues of waste, of fraud, of other things, consumers and government becoming involved on the consumer's behalf around GDPR. There's a lot going on right now, and I wanted to get your point of view on sort of the state of the supply chain value and what that means or how you see it, and sort of maybe what the industry needs to do to sort of be more effective.
Yes, I think there is no doubt that there is a current trust and transparency deficit in the system, and the media supply chain needs more governance. I have firsthand had clients complaining that they actually feel that 50% of their media monies is not actually getting to the publishers to be able to deliver the business outcomes that they need, so that is a problem. So yes, on behalf of Accenture, we are looking at the whole marketing and media supply chain and helping clients gain more transparency in that system to basically increase the power and potency of the working media.
So, and finally, tell us sort of what your role is in the media marketplace. There's been a lot of discussion about Accenture, about the role of the consulting firms as involved on the media side, not systems integration, but the marketplace of buying and selling. Could you explain what you do there and where that might be going?
Yes, I think first and foremost it's being that trusted advisor to clients, because particularly at the moment, because of the problems that we've already touched upon, clients actually want, you know, independent, agnostic, trusted advice. And obviously with the myriad number of C-suite client relationships that we have at Accenture, I think we're best placed to be able to do that and advise CMOs and chief digital officers and chief data officers in terms of how best to harness data to develop more of a data-directed marketing activation. So that's really the sweet spot that we're playing at the moment. I mean, there's an incredible opportunity to better harness data, predictive analytics for clients, and really we want to play very strongly in that space, but always having an eye on business outcomes, because, you know, this is the first time where we really do have the ability to see proper proper marketing ROI on every single dollar spent. So you know, giving that clarity and that transparency to a client is very, very important.